Welcome to Definitions, Part 6. In this video we will continue to define common terms from the automotive hobby, using examples from our extensive library of visual content. These terms have been used on car lots, in auto parts stores, garages, racetracks, car shows, cruise-ins, and anywhere motor vehicles are found. Photos used are from Saturday night cruise-ins hosted by the Hamblen County Car Club in Morristown, Tennessee. Most of these photographs were taken by our club photographer Chantal Combs. Let's get started. A project car is a vehicle that is in restorable condition. This definition applies to almost every vehicle in this video series. Power parkers are people that arrive as early as possible to events and shows to get prime parking spots. This practice is usually frowned on by hot rodders. Traction bars are used on leaf springs to counteract massive rear wheel torque, prevent axle wrap, wheel hop, tire spin, leaf spring wind, and provide more traction. They are sometimes called slapper bars or anti-hop bars. A suicide door is a door that hinges at the rear, exposing the exiting person to oncoming traffic. A stick shift is a floor-mounted gear shift lever. 4 on the floor refers to a floor-mounted shifter coupled to a 4-speed manual transmission. A glass pack is a loud, aftermarket muffler, which typically used a straight-through perforated tube wrapped in fiberglass. Thrust was a popular brand of glass packs back in the early 70s. A disc brake is a type of brake that uses the calipers to squeeze pairs of pads against a disc, or a rotor, to create friction. Binders are another word for brakes. Parachutes are used in drag racing to slow the vehicle. Big and littles refers to a hot rod, or dragster tire combination, which employs large rear tires for traction, and small front tires for reduced rolling resistance. A bullet nose refers to a Studebaker built in the late 40s and early 50s. Bullets are chromed, bullet-shaped extensions used on bumpers, grills, and wheels. A grill shell is a decorative trim that goes around the radiator. Usually found on cars built in the early 1930s. To be original means to contain only parts originally installed on the car, or new old stock parts from the manufacturer, with no substitute or aftermarket parts. A survivor is an original, unrestored, unmolested antique car that is in good enough condition to be used as a model for the restoration of a similar car. Rust is a flaky brown coating that forms on iron-based materials. It is caused by a chemical reaction that occurs when iron is exposed to oxygen and water. Usually seen as a green film, patina is a coating of various chemical compounds formed on the surface of metal. Unlike rust, which damages the metal, patina coats and protects the metal. T-tops are a roof style with removable glass panels on each side of a rigid bar. They were invented in 1951, but did not become popular until the 1968 Corvette. TAC is short for tachometer, a device to read engine revolutions per minute, or RPMs. Revolutions per minute indicates how many rotations an engine's crankshaft completes in 1 minute. The red line refers to the maximum RPMs an engine can safely make before causing damage. There you have it. That is all the definitions we can fit into a 5 to 6 minute video format. We presented terms from brakes, brand/model, body, body style, body/paint, transmission/shifter, exhaust, parts, paint, general, engine/instrument, racing, suspension, and wheels. How many did you know? We are not finished yet. Stay tuned for definitions, Part 7.